Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Shaneill. If you're not new, well, thank you for coming back. So I know what you're here for. You guys want to see what I got in my Beautylish Lucky Bag. So you know what? Let's open this baby. Alright. So if you didn't catch my name is Shaneill. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, please go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel and turning that bell notification on so you can always get notified every time I have a new video up. So, for those of you that do know, I am currently on a low no buy, but I purchased this little baby right here the day after Christmas. So, it does not count. So, ooh, let's hide it. There we go. Alright, so I got my Beautylish Lucky Bag right here. I have not opened it. I am so ready to open it. And this is my first Lucky Bag. So, from what I've heard, this Lucky Bag is a Japanese thing that happens in Japan where they get rid of their inventory at the end of the year. They put it all in a bag and then they sell it for like half or lower than half of the cost of the items that are in the bag. And if I'm not mistaken, correct me if I am wrong, but I believe they call this New Year's thing called Fukaru? Fukabaru? Something like that, okay? It's their little tradition. They've been doing it for a long time. So this is Beautylish's version of it, and it's called a Lucky Bag, where you spend a little amount of money for a lot of products. But this is my first year getting it, so I'm super happy, okay? I'm just telling you what I heard, okay? So, when I first went online to order it, I wanted the big one, but the big one was sold out like in seconds. And that one was like $150 for like over $300 worth of beauty products. And then the next one down was $75 for $150 worth of products and more. Then they had another one that was Jeffree Star. And then they had another deal going on where if you bought 2 of the $75 Lucky Bags, they will donate the other one to someone in need. So I didn't get the big one. I got the regular one, which is just fine. This is my first one anyway, so you know what? We gonna jump right into this. I got my blade. I got the box. We about to open it. Okay, my box is open. Girl, I'm super happy. I'm super excited. Okay. Oh, packaged with love in San Francisco. Okay. Ooh, this is cute packaging. So this is how the packaging looks when you open the box. Really cute. And then there's this little card tabby. Oh, it comes off. Okay. So this little card tabby thing here, it's like this little sumo wrestler with bags in his hand or her hand with little shapes and question marks on there. And then at the bottom they have like little makeup down here, and on the back it talks about the Lucky Bag. So on the card it says, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The sumo wrestler, this right here, or the wrist, I'll put that word right here, on this year's Lucky Bags are said to bring good luck and fortune. We hope the surprises inside make your 2019 a little more lucky. And it has a smiley face, and then it says hashtag Lucky Bag 2019 and hashtag Beautylish on the back. So, now that we got that out of the way, we about to open this pretty packaging right here. Which I might actually keep this. It feels like paper. Really thick paper. It's really pretty. Alright, let's move that out of the way. Oh. Okay, so we got some tissue paper here. There's nothing in that tissue paper. Nothing in there. And then it looks like we got a package here. Let's see what this is. Okay, well that's what that is. Okay, that don't count. So, oh, okay. I think this is it right here. Okay, so I think it's all wrapped together in this, and it's like that. So I'm gonna put that there and check the rest of the box out. Okay, there's nothing else in the rest of the box, but I'm definitely keeping that paper. And this was at the bottom. So there's lots of packaging in there to protect your items, so that's a good sign right there. So here's my goodies. I can feel them, so let's go ahead and dig in. Yeah. So I am unrolling. And I'm not even going to look down. Nope, not even going to look down. We're just going to open it up. Okay. So the first item I'm pulling up here, it says coming soon, and it says Beautylish on here. And what are you? Oh, it's a sleeve. Okay, okay. Good Molecules Super Peptide Serum. Formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines and wrinkles and dullness. Ooh! So I got a skincare product right here. As I'm going through the Lucky Bag or box, I will post up how much everything is right above the product as I'm talking about it. So this apparently is to help with fine lines and wrinkles, which is really, really nice. Add 1 drop in the morning and at nighttime before your oils or moisturizers. So you will use this, you know, like right after you wash your face. So let's see how I want to see what this looks like. Oh, so this is what the bottle looks like. It's a really pretty bottle. And it's glass. Very nice. Good Genes. Not Good Genes. This is Good Molecules. Apparently, it's made in North Korea, but they have a California address. I don't know. Girl, I don't know. But this is a really pretty bottle. And it says coming soon, so I'm assuming that it's not on the website yet. Okay, and it comes with a dropper. So, that's good to know. Alright. We're going to put that right back. You know what? We just going to keep going. I'll put that in the box later. Next. Got something in bubble wrap. Oh, it's from Becca. Okay, alright, alright. Where's the opening to this? Girl. Got something from Becca. Oh, by the way, when you... If I didn't mention, when you put your order in for the Lucky Bag, which is always the day after Christmas, I believe it's 9 o'clock Pacific time is when they go on sale. You have to choose whether you want your box to be from skin tone wise from light to medium, and I believe the other box is medium to deep. I got deep to dark, so that's the box I chose. Just want to throw that out there to let you know. So I got the Volcano Goddess. It's a shimmering skin perfector pressed. And Volcano Goddess? What the heck is this? Okay, let's go ahead and pull it out. Ooh, that is pretty Oh, this is a box too, okay? Very, very pretty packaging. And... oh, y'all, that is pretty. Ooh, it fell. Okay, this is so pretty. I want to play with this. That feels so nice. That is pretty. You guys see that? This is going to be a pretty color, especially to put on. It's like a gold, okay? It's a gold. That would be pretty during the summer. Oh, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice, girl. Nice. I'm liking that. I'm liking that. Okay, next item. What's this? I got a makeup brush. And this is Wayne Goss. Wayne Goss. Why does that name sound very familiar? I don't know. Girl, no. But this is the Wayne Goss. Ooh, I like it. I like this handle. Nice. This is a Wayne Goss brush in the number 15. Ooh, okay. Oh, it's taped. Okay. Alright. Girl, you know I'm about to investigate this. Okay. Alright, we're taking the tape off. But I like this little sleeve thing. I think I'm going to keep that. Ooh, this is super soft, you guys. So I got a fan brush. Ooh. So pretty, y'all. Pretty. Ooh, where that Becca? We about to put some Becca on, y'all. With my new fan brush. Oh, y'all. We about to. That is so pretty. Y'all, that is so pretty. Y'all see that, right? Oh. Did I do the other side? I'll do the other side. This became a show and tell, y'all. A show and tell. Ooh. That is so, so pretty. Okay. I'm loving this. This brush is nice too. I'm not a big fan of, you know, of fan brushes, but it's alright. This I like. Next item, as I move, I got plastic and stuff all over the place. The next item I'm grabbing is from the brand Sugar Pill. It's a liquid lip color in the shade Strange Love, my girl, my bad. Alright, let's see what this color looks like. Made in California, okay. Alright, let's see. Ooh, this is a pretty color. Yo, this is a pretty color. Okay. Ooh. Okay, that's kind of different. Their stem here is clear, like you can see through it. Alright, let's put it right here on my hand. Oh, okay, that's like kind of like some shimmer to it, but it's a very pretty color. That is pretty, you guys. That is so pretty. I'm liking it. I like that color. Ooh, that's pretty. Never had anything Sugar Pill, but you know, we about to test that baby out. So next, what's this? It's a 100% handmade 20 pieces. So I'm assuming it's 10. 20-piece eyelash set, professional finish. So it's a lashes in a box. So that's what it looks like right there. All of our lashes have a light, flexible design made to fit any eye shape and size. To customize your look, of course you can cut them to the length of your eyes. And this is from the brand Lash in the Box. Oh, y'all, this is so pretty. You really get all these lashes. All of these lashes. Y'all, I'm gonna have to, you know, use more lashes, you know, but these are so pretty. Ooh, and they look so real too. Like they kind of like flare out. They're not like all one layer and they flare out together. No, they're like all separate. These are so pretty. Alright, the next thing that as I'm trying to put this stuff down. The next thing. Ooh. Girl, I got a palette. I got a palette. And I think this is Anastasia. It's their sultry palette. Ooh, girl. Ooh, okay. You know, I was looking at this when this came out. Ooh, look at this. Ooh. The box is like covered in glitter. Y'all, covered in glitter. Covered in glitter. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, and this is the back of the box. I don't got this palette. I don't got this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. But, you know, I'm about to open this and try not to mess up the box at the same time. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Ooh. I think I'm getting glitter all over my hands. Alright. Oh. The packaging has glitter on it, you guys. Oh. Oh, jeez. So pretty. Even the back. Even the back. Alright, alright, alright. That is so pretty. So, here's the palette. Y'all, this palette is pretty. This palette is so pretty. The glitters in here are gorgeous. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7. Okay, so there's 7 matte shades and 7 glitter shades. And these glitter shades look so pretty. I'm about to start swatching some of these. Oh, and they're soft. And they're soft. Oh, that one's like a bronze. That one's pretty. And then this one here. Oh, that one's pretty too. Oh, y'all. Now, this color here, we're going to try this one because, you know, I probably won't even wear this color, but we're going to try it anyway. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, I can't wait to play with this palette. Ah, OMG, OMG. All right, so you've seen me unbox my Lucky Bag box thing, and y'all, right off the bat, I am super excited and super stoked on, I'm about to show you what I'm excited about, okay? I love this highlight, okay? This highlight right here. I like this highlight. I like this right here. I like this. Yep. I am super happy about this palette because I wanted this palette, but I was trying not to buy that palette. But I got the palette, so I'm super happy. Yes! Super happy. Super happy. Yes. Yes. I'm also intrigued to try this Sugar Pill liquid lip color in the shade Strange Love. Oh, okay. So this is a metallic sparkle. Alright. Alright, so that's a metallic sparkle. Okay, it is metallic. It is metallic. That's pretty. I can't wait to try that out. So, yes, that, girl, we got some lashes here. I can't be mad about this. I really can't. That's going to save me some money, okay? We got some boxes of lashes. I like how this brush is built so far. I don't really know much about Wayne Goss brushes, but this brush is super soft. But I don't really care for fan brushes, but it's a pretty nice brush. But I'm really, really intrigued by this Good Molecules Super Peptide Serum. It's like, I kind of want to use this like now. Like I really want to try this out. So I'm going to let y'all go. I'm going to go take a shower, wash off my face, and I'm going to try this baby out, okay? I really want to try this. So, if you are new to my channel, and if you got, what is this called? A Lucky Bag? Yes. Please let me know what you got. And if you got anything compared to mine, and if you can tell me a little bit more about this brush here, and who Wayne Goss is, can I look him up on YouTube? Is he on YouTube? I would really like to know. I really do. But it's a pretty nice brush. Oh, looks nice. Yeah. But anyways, let me know what you got if you got the Lucky Bag. And if you didn't get the Lucky Bag, let me know. Are you considering getting the Lucky Bag for 2020? Yeah, for next year. Because, girl, I'm going to let you know now. I am interested in that Lucky Bag for 2020. This is my first bag, and so far, girl, I'm liking everything that came in my box. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys again later. I have to go and play some makeup. Alright, bye!